Classic cars, cars, cars in Cuba. Go fars, fars, fars. Classic cars, cars, cars in Cuba. Go vroom, vroom, vroom. In Cuba habla español. Cars in Spanish is carros. Classic cars, cars, cars in Cuba. Go fars, fars, fars. Classic cars, cars, cars in Cuba. Go vroom, vroom, vroom. Feliz mes de la herencia España. Happy Hispanic Heritage Month. Classic cars, cars, cars in Cuba. Go fars, fars, fars. Classic cars, cars, cars in Cuba. Go vroom, vroom, vroom. Cuba and cars and scuba diving. What beautiful beaches. Classic cars, cars, cars in Cuba. Go fars, fars, fars. Classic cars, cars, cars in Cuba. Go vroom, vroom, vroom. Colombia, Mexico, Ecuador, Peru, Chile, Brazil, Guatemala, Cuba, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Honduras, El Salvador, and Panama. Happy Hispanic Heritage Month. Classic cars, cars, cars in Cuba. Go fars, fars, fars. Classic cars, cars, cars in Cuba. Go vroom, vroom, vroom. Today we are drawing old cars, cars, cars in Cuba. Let's start with the wheels. They're circles for reals. Ovals today because the car's facing us. The back one's smaller. Draw little circles in the big circles. Ovals. Why do I keep saying circles? All right, let's give the car a face. The eyes are the lights. They're circles for reals. They're lighting up. The license plate's the mouth. It's a rectangle. Let's make him happy because the weather in Cuba's nice. Let's make a grill with lots and lots of lines. And a curve to end the lines. Let's make the top. It's a long line. Let's make the window so the people can shine. It's gonna be a parallelogram. What? Parallelograms are like rectangles with tilted sides instead of straight sides. And the driver, he's happy, and the wheel, it's a circle. Let's make a straight line down this way, and then it goes up, so it's straight. Connect the line to a raindrop. and then it goes back down, and it doesn't stop until it hits the wheel. Let's make the passenger seat. It's curvy and comfy. Lots of lines, 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 lines. Let's make a hood for the wheel. It's another circle-y thing for real.
Classic cars, cars, cars.
Let's make the back. It's a trunk. We can't see the trunk because we're in the front. There's another wheel right next to this eye. Let's make a hemicircle, a half circle for reals, and a little circle inside.
Classic cars, cars, cars.
Make another raindrop.
In Cuba go cars, cars, cars.
It's looking nice. Let's make a spare tire and other details too. There's a little circle for me and you. And a little detail and a little detail. And that's how you draw an old-fashioned car. You can add things like passengers in the back, or the city of Havana, or someone eating a snack on the street. Like a mango, or someone doing the tango.
Like, subscribe.